May I please invite Mr. Vaibhav Taparia from Do Developers and Mr. Chandrakant Kankaria from Kevraj on stage to receive the awards, please.
I take this award on behalf of my team present here and not present here. This is a good inspiration to work better and work towards the perfection. Thank you.
I take this behalf on Team Olympia. I thank my architects, my contractors, my consultants, and all the employees of Kevraj.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, and congratulations once again.
Now, the next category, the award for the best self-occupied office project, and the nominees are
in the category Best Office Project Self-Occupied. The final 3 nominations are Airtel Center, located at Gurgaon by Bharti Realty; Infosys Global Education Center 2, located at Mysore by Shobha Developers; Bharti Crescent, located at Delhi by Bharti Realty;
the award goes to
Airtel Center by Bharti Realty. Designed by Hafiz Contractor, the Airtel Center at Gurgaon reflects the dynamism of today's corporate world, a perfect blend of design and functionality. This corporate facility boasts of a vibrant backlit facade that is one of its kind in India.
May I please request Mr. Sunil Agarwal from Bharti Realty to receive the award.
I would like to thank my team, my organization, and the Airtel team also for creating this office. Thank you.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। हमने एक सपना देखा था कुछ साल पहले, आज वो सपना पूरा हुआ है और ये सपना यहाँ नहीं दुबई में देखा गया था और मुझे गर्व है कि हम दुबई के सपने को आज यहाँ गुड़गांव में पूरा कर पाए हैं। ये कंपनी से ज़्यादा हमारे कस्टमर्स के लिए रिकॉग्निशन है, जो कस्टमर्स आज हमारे पाम स्प्रिंग प्रोजेक्ट में ऑलरेडी कुछ लोग रह रहे हैं, कुछ अभी शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं। सो ये दिस अवार्ड इज फॉर देम।
Well, it feels good to be encouraged, and I think this is a good platform to encourage good quality and timely delivery. And I think it's very good encouragement for the team.
We are really honored to have received this award from Z and Rix combined together. We are also thankful to the jury members to have considered our entry and nomination and to have had the confidence in us to have delivered this award to us. This is definitely a good step forward for us, and from now onwards we would like to spread our buildings pan-India.
Good, and it's very pleasant to receive the award. This is a prestigious award from the prestigious institutions, and this give us a lot of encouragement to perform better. So I'm very happy to receive this. Thank you.
This is a great award and great platform, I'll say, because in this office we have tried to bring all the 18 offices of Airtel in NCR together under one roof. And currently in this building we are having more than 5,000 employees. So we are connecting with each of the employees, all the vendors, everyone. And surely we will take this journey for other projects as well.
And now we move on to the next set of awards for Best Environment Friendly Project. And the nominations are
in the category Most Environment Friendly Project. The final 3 nominations are Green Boulevard, located at Noida by 3C's Company; Mindspace Cyberabad, located at Hyderabad by K. Raheja Corporation. Olympia Technology Park, located at Chennai by Kivraj Tech Park.
And the award goes to
Green Boulevard by 3C's Company. Green Boulevard at Noida by the 3C's Company has a built-up area of 1 million square feet and is the world's largest LEED certified platinum rated green building in the shell and core category. It is one of the few buildings slated to get carbon credits.
May I please request Mr. Supreet Suri from 3C Company to come on stage to receive the award, please.
First, of course, I'd like to thank Z and RICS for the awards, but most importantly, I'd like to make a little bit of a statement here that I think sustainable buildings are the need of the hour, and the more the developers focus on this aspect, the better it would be for the real estate field. Thank you.
And now we move on to the best shopping mall, and the nominations are
in the category Best Shopping Mall Pan-India. The final 3 nominations are Alpha One, located at Amritsar by Alpha G Corp. In-Orbit Vashi, located at Mumbai from In-Orbit Malls, India. Select City Walk, located at New Delhi by Select Infrastructure.
And the award goes to
Select City Walk by Select Infrastructure. Spread over 6 acres in the heart of South Delhi, Select City Walk comprises a massive shopping complex, service departments, a 6-screen multiplex, restaurants and parking for 2,000 cars. It has the perfect mix of the best brands and an innovative loyalty program.
May I please have with us Neeraj Ghai on stage to receive the award.
Thank you, Z, thank you, Rix, and thank you, jury. To be honest, don't feel like a real estate project. Being from the service industry all our lives, we're customer-centric, and this is a commitment of ours to provide a great shopping experience to the consumers.
And now we move on to the best hotel project, and the nominations are
in the category Best Hotel Project Pan-India. The final 3 nominations are the Raintree Hotel Anna Salai, located at Chennai by Seabros Hotels. Sheraton Bangalore Hotel in Brigade Gateway, located at Bangalore by Sheraton Bangalore. Novotel Vishakhapatnam Varun Beach, located at Vishakhapatnam by Sea Valley.
and the award goes to
Novotel Vishakhapatnam Varun Beach by Rohan Sea Valley. This 5-star hotel from the Accor Group is located on the prestigious RK Beach. All 225 rooms have a panoramic view of the ocean. The hotel has a wide range of dining options, with all restaurants facing landscaped gardens, the infinity pool or the ocean.
Mr. Prabhu Kishore, may I please request you to come on stage to receive the award.
thank ZTV, Rix and the jury for this lovely award. It's a recognition for our project management team as well as our consultants who have really given their blood and sweat to the project. Because we are located very delicately on the beach road, so there will be a lot more issues when you build a project just about 100 meters from the ocean. So we have one part of the project development is over, but now the operation starts. We dream to give the best experience to the guests. Thank you, sir.
With this, we come to an end of the nomination-based awards, but our endeavor to recognize the outstanding contribution does not stop here. We shall now announce the winners of the special jury awards. Before I begin these awards, Mihir, you would like to share something?
I mean, it's great, and I'm sure there was tough competition, because what we heard backstage from jury, they really had tough time deciding the winners. So, anyways, for the next set of awards, I would now like to invite Mrs. Renu Sood Karnar and Mr. Sameer Ahluwalia, the editor Z Business, to join Mr. Kamal Nath on stage.
Our first award in the special jury category is for the best golf resort of India. And the winner in this category is the Royal Spring Golf Course, Srinagar. May I please invite Ms. Pamela on stage to receive the award, please? Our next special jury award is for the best emerging construction contractor of this year, and the winner in this category is Leighton Contractor. May I please request Mr. Russell Waugh, MD Leighton Contractor, to come on stage to receive the award.
Our next award is an effort to recognize large-scale integrated township projects. And the winner in this category is Magarpata Township, situated along the Pune-Solapur highway. May I please request Mr. Ishan Magar to come on stage to take away the award.
I'd like to thank the jury, RICS and Z for honoring us with this award. Thank you.
Thanks, Ishan. Thank you and congratulations. The next award is to recognize the talent of cost and project management. The winner in this category is Freshman Prabhu. May I please invite Mr. Prakash Gadre on stage to receive the award.
Next category is for the best national developer, and the winner is K. Raheja Corporation. May I please invite the Senior Vice President, Mr. Manoj Sharma, on stage to receive the award, please.
And now the next award is for the best regional developer North, and the award goes to Alpha G Corp. May I please request Mr. S.K. Sayal to come on stage to receive the award.
Thank you so much. Thank you, jury. And with this recognition, I think it puts more responsibility on our shoulders to deliver better and better in future.
Now the award for the best regional developer South, and this award goes to...
The award is for the best regional developer East, and the winner is Ambuja Realty. May I please have on stage Mr. Anup Agarwal to receive the award. The next award is for the best regional developer West, and the winner is none other than